Hello viewers and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to provide the solution to this interesting exponential equation. We are given 7 raised to power x divided by 9 raised to power x to be the same thing as 10 over 3 raised to power x. How do we solve for x? The first thing I'm going to do here is to get rid of this 3 raised to power x. In order to do that, I'm going to multiply both sides by 3 raised to power x so that this can cancel this. So what I have left is 7 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power x by this side divided by this 9 raised to power x. But that 9 raised to power x, I want to do a manipulation with it. Now let's remember that 9 raised to power x is the same thing as if we decide to reduce this 9, we're going to have 3 raised to power 2. The 2 multiplies the x, and then we're going to have 2x there. Now that 3 raised to power 2x can still be written as 3 raised to power x all squared. Remember the rule of indices. These two powers can multiply themselves, and then it will take us back to the 2x. So the 9 raised to power x is changed to 3 raised to power x all squared. And you know what it means to square a term. If we square 3 raised to power x, that will be 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power x. So this has been splitted into 2, so that this can now cancel this. So what do we have left? We have 7 raised to power x divided by 3 raised to power x equals 10. Now let's remember this rule. If we have a raised to power x divided by b raised to power x, this is the same thing as what? A over b all raised to power x. Meaning that this power can be factorized out. So applying the same thing here, we're going to have 7 over 3 all raised to power x equals 10. What do we do next? In order to solve for x, the next thing I'm going to do is to take the logarithm of both sides. So I'll take the log of this side. I'll also take the log of this side. Now let's remember this logarithm rule where we have log m raised to power p. This will be equal to what? P log m. Meaning that this p can cross to this other side. So applying the same thing here, the x can cross to that other side. We're going to have x log 7 over 3 equals log 10. Log 10 is equal to 1. And then dividing both sides by log 7 over 3 will give us the value of x as 1 over log 7 over 3. If you decide to apply the rule of logarithm to this, we can express this in another form. That will be log 7 minus log 3. So the answer can be expressed in this form and can also be expressed in this form. But then we can decide to put our answer in decimal. If we decide to put our answer in decimal, that will be 1 over, if you find the value of 7 over 3, and then you press the logarithm of that, that will give 0.36798. And when you divide further, the value of x will be approximately 2.72. So this is the solution to the question. We can express the answer in any of these 3 forms. Thank you for viewing. For more exciting videos like this, kindly subscribe to my channel and share my videos.